Hello, everyone. It's Donna, and this is part one of a requested video that I had someone ask me to do. So I'm going to start the process with this video, and it's basically going to be how to do like a little snap tab type design. Anyway, so first thing I'm going to do is come over here and do the line tool, and I'm going to actually start right here on the center line, and I'm going to go up 50 millimeters, and I'm going to try to stay on that line, and then I'm going to come over. This one has to be a curved 15 millimeters, and we're going to move this up a little bit just so that you have the nice little curve at the end of your tab. And we're going to come back down then to here, and we'll make this a straight, and we'll get it down. So this is the actual snap part, and you can save this off as a EOF file so that anytime you want to do some snap tabs, you don't have to re-digitize that. You can just bring this in and add it to your design, and then from there we will go. This is just going to be real quick, so we're going 3 past that one. Just play a little bit. And I got the dimensions for the tab from other, like a snap tab. I don't normally generate or digitize these and or stitch them, but I wanted to make sure I could do this, so I had to get the right information to do it for you. And we're gonna move this back up, try to make sure that everything is where we want it to be on the lines. It's close enough. So anyway, this will be the general shape of a snap tab. So what you would do here then is you would go ahead and group these, and that would be like your first placement guide. Think of this as kind of like an applique of sorts. So you'll have it, you'll copy and paste it back. You will change the color. This will allow you to tack it down. You would then do, some modification in here, like say if you were wanting to do an initial. You could do that in whatever color you wanted. And then after that, you would copy and paste or paste the thing back in. And that's where you would actually, this next break, between your initial or whatever design you were wanting to do and this last one, this is where you would lay the backing down and say, the vinyl, and tape around here so you don't have to try to hold it, but tape it so that it can stitch this out. And you might want to actually run through that twice, 2 single runs, or you could do a triple beam, however you wanted to do it. But this is the general steps to do a snap tab. and now we can actually center it, or because of the size of these, you kind of have to use the 5x7 hoop. Some of them, like if this were smaller, you might be able to, let's see if I can get another one in here, turn it around. Yeah, the way I made this one, I don't think I would be able to fit two in here. No, I wouldn't. So, I mean, if it was a little circle or something like that, you probably could. But with this one, nah, there's no need to. So, anyway, hope this explains the very first steps of creating a snap tab, and I'll do another video that's going to get into a little bit more explanation of the different aspect. So that's it for today. Bye.